With the machine turned on, open the front cover. Remove the toner drum assembly unit. Push down the green lock lever and separate the toner cartridge from the drum unit. Unpack the new drum unit and remove protective packaging. Note, to avoid print problems, do not touch the drum surface. Replace the toner cartridge firmly into the new drum unit until you hear it click into place. Gently slide the green tab left to right, right to left, several times to clean the corona wire inside the drum unit. Note: be sure to return the tab to the home position. The arrow on the tab must be aligned to the arrow on the drum unit. If it is not, printed pages may have a vertical stripe. Install the toner drum assembly unit back into the machine. Close the front door. Press and hold the toner indicator icon for 5 seconds. Press drum and then press yes.